What up, peeps? This is Mr. Bennett. Welcome back to my channel. Everyone, hope everyone doing all right. All right, pick up yourself. Everyone at time, stay safe. As you can see, guys, we'll be looking at a couple volume of question. Unit 14, CSEC multiple choice. All right. So, without further ado, let's get ready. Rumble. I know my thing, right? Yeah, man. All right. So, let us proceed with caution. All right. So, it says for each of the following. No. There's no following there, Mr. Ben. Come again. For each of these questions, choose the option A, B, C, or D that is true. All right, so the first one said the volume of a cue ball with size half meter, 20 centimeter, and 10 centimeter is. What do you guys think about this one? Is it A, is it B, is it C, or is it D? Let me give you a time to do it. All right, time is up. Let's get ready. All right, guys, so how do we approach this, right? So we know what a cuboid is. For those of you who don't know, let me just try to draw a little sketch. I hope it works out. Oh, Lord. Nervous times. I don't know why it's not pressing. Stop around, guys. Stop around. Actually, a reload. Oh, this. Alright, so I could just draw one. Which is a cuboid for you? You guys can, guys, you give the right thing. I know the ship's already, right? So basically, it's a cuboid, right? I'm gonna find the volume. But guys, notice what they say, right? We know that for volume, it's the area of the base. So this is a rectangle, so it's length times width. Area of the base times the height. So we know that it's a 3-dimension. So we're not going to run that back. But do you notice that they gave us this in half meter? And they gave us this in centimeter. So what we're going to be doing, it's easier to convert half meter to centimeter than to convert these two. Because if I two of them, it doesn't make sense to convert two of them to meter. So we're going to work with the centimeter. Plus, the answer is CM3, right? So convert it. So 100 centimeters make 1 meter. Yo, so come never know this. That part, you see how important primary school is, right? 100 centimeter equal 1 meter. Become primary school teacher, them. I know I'm sabing it over already. So, right? So half of this would basically be a half of 100. Come on, you guys know that. You know it's 50. All right, so it's 50 centimeter. So we're gonna say the area of the base is. Oh, they never specify. So we could call this a 50 centimeter. This one is 20. We saw the height that thing. It doesn't really matter because they didn't specify, but let us say that. So all of these just multiply these 3. So 50 times 20 times 10. Alright, so this will give us 1000 for the first part. 2 zeros, okay, 2, 5, 10 times 10 now. So, add on the next 0 to this, we get 10,000. say CMG. All right, so that one is C. Let's move down to number 2. Very nice question indeed. I know you guys love it, but all good things must come to an end. All right. So a rectangular tank is 100 centimeter long, 30 centimeter wide, and 12 centimeter deep. The volume of the liquid it holds is, all right. So this one is pretty straightforward. So it's 100. Because it's the same measurement, so it's 100 times 30 and 12. You can just multiply, like I say, it's a rectangle, so it's a cuboid again. It's a rectangle, right? So it's 30 times 12. This should give us what? 360. Should give us 360 right here. Somebody should help on them calculator times 100. We know, so we multiply by 100 or 10 or 1000. We just add the 0, so it will be 3, 6, 0. And then we add them 2 0 here, so it will be 1, 2. Obviously, we're not finished yet, right? This is CM 3, but they want the answer in liters, right? So 1000 of this make 1 liter. Let us put that. And guys, it's so important. Please know your primary school, so 1000 cm3. That is not 1000. Yes, it is now equal 1 liter. So in order to convert this, we have to divide by 1000. Enough people now do this, you know. Enough people now do this, but they know how to reason. So we actually get 360 liters. Oh boy, maths is so hard sometimes, guys. You have to put in the work without an chicken way of work, you know. Alright. The width of a block of wood, with rectangular cross section is x centimeter. Its height is 2/3 its width, and its length is 4 times its height. What is the value in centimeter? First of all, let me just chill out. We need to chill, right? So it's again give us rectangular. That's the most important thing, right? So width, we call it W, is equal to x. Let us see what they say. We just write over them do. No matter think about nothing else. Let's write over them do first. Its height. So the height now is 2/3 its width. So it's 2/3 x. That's the height, right? And no, its height is 2/3 its width. Yeah. So now let's take out the length. It's the length is 4 times the height. So it's 4 times this. So put the word length. Sometimes we write it says 4 times 2/3 x. How many persons are going to know to do this one? So I'll multiply the length to come to this. 4 2 is 8, so it's 8/3 x. So I can say it's 4 times. Now all I have to do is just multiply this 3. So it will be x times 2/3 x times 8/3 x. x times 2x, that's 2x squared times that. See answer already. 16. 16x cubed. Remember the 3x them, I will get a cube, right? So already Mrs. Adds. And then 3 times 3 is 9. So our answer would be B for number 3. Very tricky question indeed. Very tricky question. Let's move on to number 4 and see what they are saying. Alright, so they said the volume of a sphere of radius 3 centimeter is. So first of all, guys, we need to know the formula for a sphere. Find the volume, right? So the volume of a sphere is, I don't know, I can go online and check it out. 4/3 pi times r cubed, right? So all we have to do now is to substitute the radius, this r, signal radius. So all we have to do is just put the r in the formula and check it out how it goes, and we're good to go. All right. Notice they leave the pi, so we're not gonna cancel out the pi. But see here and leave the pi. All right. So it's 4/3 pi, because the pi are gonna remain obviously, and the radius is now 3. So it's we're gonna write it to 3 times 3 times 3. Alright, so we can just cancel. So quite easy. 4 3s 12. I'll go on. What's go on? So 4 3s 12. That is this one right here. And 3 times 12 is 36. Almost full there now, guys. Alright, so 36 pi cm3. So number 4 is 36. Alright, let's scroll down. More work, more work, more work. So welcome to the Lennox Penny channel. If you have not subscribed, please feel free to do so. Alright, a cube has a volume of 125 centimeter cube. What is the area of its faces? Notice the word its faces, not just one. So basically, they're asking you to find the total surface area. Alright, I'll comment this first. These are really good questions, you know. We got min 11 MA students and min 11 RY students for doing this today. I'm just realizing how critical thinking come into all of this. Alright, guys, let's go. So it's a cube. What we know about a cube, right? Let's try to draw the cube. So I mean, now rush in a peeps. Can't wait and can speed up the video, but learning have to occur. So I think about a cube. The difference between a cube and a cuboid, all sides are equal, even though so now I get to draw it equally, you know, the draw it shape, you know, peeps. Shape to bad, but you don't know the shapes though. Alright, so basically this is a cube, all sides equal. So in order for you to get to 125, it means that a number multiplied by itself, because remember all sides are equal, so we call this side, we have to do it multiplied by itself 3 times to give you 125. Right? So we can just find the cube root. Which number you multiply by itself? Give here 125, right? So that would be 5, 5, 5, 25, and then that. So now let us reason. So we know say one side are basically 5. We enter this a 5, but it's not done this one. Let me show you how complicated the question is. Right? After we do that, find the 5 side to the 5. You can find the area for one side, right? So to do 5 times 5. That is for one side, right? Because all of it is equal. So it's 25. But how many sides does it have in all? It has 6 equal sides. So we can multiply this by 6. And we get the total surface area. Then after the total surface area on the side. So 6, 5, 30. Oh, 1. 6, 2 is 12, and that 15. So it's 150. Because style I'm try to style me, you know. I'm gonna say, I'm gonna answer the answer now. So my best friend must still talk, you know. Alright, let's move on to 6. But this is a very good question, a very good paper indeed. Let's move on to this one now. A cylinder has radius 5 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. What is the volume of the cylinder? Notice them work out, them don't work out the 5. So we're gonna work it out. Now the area, the volume rather of a cylinder is basically the area of the circle. As you know, it says a circle. Everybody must know cylinder. Right, right. Radius. No, so the drawing now go 100, right? So yeah. So the radius of 5. So we find the area of the circle, which is pi r square. So it's pi r square h times the height, right? But them don't work out the pi. So we could just carry this to be 20. No, I show you. So the 5 squared times 10. Alright. So now we have this, so it will be 5, 5, 25. So it's 25. I'm gonna put the 25 up front. It's 25 pi times 10. See the answer now. That times that is 250 pi. And we know it's our volume, so it's cube. So we can just put centimeter per centimeter. Alright. So number 6 would be C. Alright. The volume of a sphere is 64 centimeter cube. What is the diameter of the sphere? Alright, this is the one now. Alright, so we know say the volume of 64, so I'm going to work out and get that now. So the 4 upon 3. Remember, we discussed the formula at the top. It's 4 third pi. We take pi from the 3.14. I don't know how I'm explaining to work out this without a calculator. Times r cube. We don't know what r is, right? But what me have to just say, if we mix the r, we can double the r to get the diameter, right? We get the radius. So I'm try to get the radius. I don't know how we will get. Alright, so I got transpose for r3. So this is equal to 64 times 3 divided by 4 times 3.14. What times are going to become divided, right? Alright, now so 4 into 64. How many times that goes? So we get 1 answer. That left 2. 4 into that left 16. So up the top, we're going to get, I'm going to cross out the 4. So minus 1. It's going to be 16 times 3 divided by 3.1. This can be real tricky. 3 times 16, 3 6 is 18, 48, right? Something I write what up this. 8 try 1, 3 1 is 2, that's 40. Divided by 3.1. But number 16 again, or 15. Number 15 now? Because if 16 times 3, what about 15? When we divide this, it's about 15. We're not supposed to use any calculator. I'm going to have the time to divide the two. See, so one can stress this. So it's 48 divided by 3.14. So that's 15. Alright, so we're supposed to find the cube root of this term. And let you have it. The answer now the let you have about 2.5, right? And then this radius, say double it, they get 5. So we don't see the answer this. Anybody else work it out? Let me know. We don't see the answer. 5 we get. Alright. The surface area of a sphere is 36 centimeters square. What is the volume of the sphere? Alright, so first we have to write formula for the total surface area. So the total surface area is A is equal to 4 pi r squared. So we have to take it from the formula. Though if this is on the sheet, guys, so we have to know this out of our head, right? So they give us this. So basically the area is this 36 pi. Let us put the pi. Now I'll put this here. Now this, how did they get this? This they multiply this, right? 4 pi. So we are trying to find r in a piece. So we are trying to find r first, right? So now we get rid of this, the 4 pi. So we divide by 4 pi. You know what? Let me get a different color. That's the morning everybody's everybody must love somebody. Everybody have to love somebody. So guys, we'll divide by 4 pi first. This done, this done. So we have to do this and move with this. So as you say, the pi I'll get the out. Pi into pi, pi equal 36 by 4, 9 4 36, so this is 9. Right? And that equal r squared. And then we just find the square root of this. So this is the r will be 3. Guys, you do work this up the upper top, 36 answer. We do work it upper top. Try 2 different years so it's 4 thirds. Remember the next formula for the volume. 36 to 4 thirds times the pi r. Remember this was the first one, man. R cubed. Yeah, so it's 4 thirds. Put the pi also. But then didn't work out the pi times 3 r cubed. We multiply by itself 3 times Alright, so we get got a different color. So we have more posts, you know. Posts actually. So we divide by 2. Alright, so 4 trees, 12, and 3, 12, 36. So we get all of them except the number. Anybody have anything to say about that in the comment section? I'll put the cube. Centimeter. I really get it. Centimeter cube. Let's have a cube alone. Alright guys, we have come to the end of the paper. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember, support Mr. Bennett by liking the video and subscribing to the channel if you have not done so. Alright, peace everyone, stay safe. This is Mr. Bennett, I'm out, no doubt.